Minianum, and the minimum bet energy sebi. Me say, and the dear me discover, me the men find semi bottom into me, no ma pa hon to my ediatum. Nini na ye apa ye send this sky. Na near me discover, I do one dance here. I'm a mother for a jatum, a do pay. Now do pay, dear do money set will send this canna within second. Nada for Ensaka. Nini na say, Obako Play Store, and I say App Store beer. So phone be a kita say Apple and a Samsung. What download do ya? What aroma for information is him. Oh yeah, you better tell $5 for free. So what they send you CKD kind. Now what send the area so yen charge if it's walk. Scabi abe send ya copy a free. Now rating there. Oh, edasoro e kosa. Nina say you sue me promo code ABTV. Now you sue promo code in ya. $5 no ye de be ka osika ho a send ma wo ma adofo adawase ene meje pade a meye na Ghana menwuma meye na Ghana nyina memre me send ska na me ma me nsaka me send ska na mabusu afọ nsaka de omu ka chem nyina nse onyame nhira adofo so opanyame nhira dia me srew wo soso ko download ju pay na send ska nkomo adofo na nyame nhira no ye be chichire ni se e dia bro ju pay Paul Amantam, Nenso, Omusina di Campo, yet Tamuas. For me, I will make sure my friend fires you. Can't you see the sun is scorching?
It's hot. It's so hot.
Open the gate now. Open the gate now.
Jump.
I should jump. Right?
Yes.
If I can jump, will I call you to come and open the gate for me? Huh?
Stand here.
Huh? Your face looks like an ape. Do you know ape?
I like it. I like it. I like it. Hey. You can't convince me, oh. You can't convince me. Okay. You do it like a jump. Hey, I'm a security. Hey, don't do that, okay? Pieces.
Baby, go. Ay, you were sent from above, all the way I am in the wall. Ay, mira, dame, baby, I'm in down no. From me, mira, one more joke.
Where is she inside? Don't give me that rolling eyes when the original is talking. Next time you better hurry when I ask you. Anne! Anne! Listen. I know it's not easy to move on. But in times like this, you just need to keep your head up. It's supposed to happen. You don't need to cry. Let me see the strong girl I used to know. You know, men are equal. Men are the same. I mean, you can't get what you want. You have to pick it. I mean, nurture it. If it doesn't grow, just let it go. After all, he's not the only guy. Huh?
Listen, you're very beautiful. Have you ever checked yourself in the mirror before? You're beautiful. This guy even doesn't deserve you. Stop sharing tears, unnecessary tears over this guy.
Are you not talking too much? Huh? You have to talk to her in a matured way. See how she's here. Are you supposed to talk? Listen, no. Don't raise your finger when I'm talking. I am not warning you. But you have to respect yourself. Listen, let's face facts. Be real. Listen, you can't talk to someone who is heartbroken like this. She's crying. I think you have to say something like, oh, God's time is the best. She should move on. But don't say you get someone. If yes, she can get someone. But if the person doesn't treat her like the same way, she will get broken hearts again.
Which facts again? Take a very good look. No, look at your friend. This guy, he doesn't even match up to her intelligence. In fact, no, wait. Baby girl, listen to me, eh? Forget this one. This one is always talking rubbish. Rubbish.
Angie, so let be real. Were you guys in a committed relationship?
Please. Baby girl.
Huh? Yes, I want to know. If it is not committed relationship, so you should stop crying.
Why are you like that? You're always interrupting.
I'm like what?
You're always interrupting.
I am telling you.
Madam, let me breathe in this house, eh? Let me breathe.
You can't breathe.
Listen, our friend is in the kitchen.
You can't breathe while the original is here. I'm telling you.
Original.
And I'm keeping it 100 with you.
Look, this one is screaming original. You look fake, madam. Get out. Listen, baby girl. Don't mind this one. One day you let me beat her. I will beat you, eh?
See who is talking.
Listen,
someone says.
I told you earlier on, you're going to get someone better off than him. Forget that girl's team side. You're going to give you better advice. Listen to me.
I'm here to console you, okay? Don't listen to some mosquitoes. They just make an annoying noise. Listen to me.
Let me be Jerry. You're always praising my
You're talking too much. You don't know what to say. Just shut up.
Forget about this one. She's always talking nonsense.
Okay. Make sure you prepare her favorite dish for her, okay?
Yes, madam.
Get me one of the bananas. Hey, stop staring at me.
Said it's a falling, I was well alive. I'm doing a boy, the crumple chain Bugatti. Me never pay. If you I wanna marry, said that I ain't your home. If I would go me daddy. My friend, I said I will see you to be men and Nama. Said I'm
You why? Huh? Why? What's the matter?
Don't mind here, okay?
Ah, madam. What's the matter?
Don't mind her.
Madam, can you see me?
Don't mind her. This one,
Madam, have you seen? She used to have to beat me.
My dear, I'm sorry. Don't mind her. This one, she's a nuisance. Don't mind her, okay?
It is an exams.
She's a nuisance. I knew that she's an exams.
Ah, okay.
Anyways, please take care of your madam for me. Please don't let her step out of this door.
Okay, madam.
If she steps out, I'll hold you responsible.
Oh, madam.
So don't. If anything, just pick up your phone and call me.
Okay? I'll call you.
And take care of her. Make sure she eats something.
Okay.
Because it's too much.
Okay.
Right?
But madam, you are lucky.
I'm lucky.
Yeah.
How lucky?
Yeah, you are good. You are good, madam.
And he said I'm lucky.
Yeah. Oh, madam.
Okay.
See, when you are talking to me, to the house, this house, my connection is big. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. I don't understand what you're saying.
I said, when I come to this house and then you talking to me, my condition is big.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You sir, okay? God bless you.
Amen.
To this house.
Take care of your madam for me.
I'll take care.
Madam, thank you. So take very good care of her for me, okay?
Thank you.
All right, sure.
Madam, I'm feeling you, okay? Yeah, this madam is come on. When you're talking to me, he better than horse, and then talking to me, and then this girl there, he be supper. He be supper to me. The house. I'll challenge him. This girl. Fendi. Hey.
Hey, what is it?
Check your time.
What is it?
Check your time. Huh? Do you know I'm hungry? Do you know I'm hungry? Okay, so I'm coming to collect my food.
Have you prepared any food here? Have you prepared any food here?
Every morning.
What food are you talking about here?
Breakfast. Hey, Fendi. Hey. Don't do basmasa here. Don't do basmasa. Give me my food.
Are you living here or not?
Yeah.
You must be very careful. Have you prepared any food here?
Every morning.
Have you?
Every morning.
Are you leaving or you are still standing here? Or else?
Yes. You come to chop me?
Leave here.
Madam!
Leave here!
Hey, are you crazy? You come to chop me? Okay. I'll tell madam.
I don't know falling, baby boy, my falling. I don't know falling, baby boy, my falling. I don't know falling, into dame.
This girl, Fendi. When the madam take to here and see him, I tell madam say this girl is Fakadam. Fakadam. Look at time. I'm coming to collect my food. He said hot food. And then he take the knife to cut my stomach. Why? When take the knife and block the knife again to touch me. How you live there? You leave this house. Otherwise, me I leave or you leave. If madam come, I'll tell you.
Didn't know it was you. My heart beat like a kaboom. Ay, baby boy, you were good. The first time that I met you. Ay, my heart told me that you were the only one I knew. I said as soon as over the Meadow, cause you say oh before you my mule. Ay, I don't know falling, baby boy, my fault. I don't know falling, baby boy, my fault. I don't know,
many boy the crap with Bugatti. Me never pet. If you I wanna marry, said that I ain't your home. I'm found to me daddy. My friend I said they will see this to be me nama. Said I'm out for trying to pass. Say this girl the be I will marry her just the day. Me need me pet. See me then they come here with faith. Tell I say, and then home watching. Or don't come on, you be there my pop cry my yachting. Or don't want me faint. I was straight. You the one in my brother. I mean you fire drink.
Madam, good morning. Good morning. What is it? Madam, please, you're foolish ready. Go out, try and wait. Okay, thank you. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please, can I call you back later? I'll call you when I wake up. Yeah, cool. What's up? Haha, your own good.
What is going on?
Nothing much. As usual, I'm still in my mood swings.
I told you you can't wait. Listen, you have to move on. Huh? You have to move on because the guy won't come back.
Abena, so you actually want me to let it go like that?
Yeah, let it go because he's not giving you the attention that you need. He's not giving you the attention.
Girlfriend, see, I will never forgive this dude. I won't. He will certainly pay for this.
Yes, karma is a bit. He would definitely pay for the things continue. You know what I'm saying?
I will let him get his results before.
Let's go out and have fun. I'm going to take my bags and dress and come to your place, okay?
Right, I'm expecting you then.
Make sure you put on a nice makeup, just normal new makeup. Let's go have fun. Let's go explore. Welcome to the single.
It's not funny anyways. Well, I'm getting prepared.
I just want you to forget everything. That's why I'm being witty here.
Right, I get you.
Just keep your head up, as I've been telling you. Be that strong girl. Because at the end of the day, you guys were not married. It was just a normal relationship. So if the marriage is normal, just forget about it immediately.
I'm trying, girl. Okay, so get ready. I'm also getting prepared. So
yeah. I'll be at your work.
Right.
You better talk to your gate man. That your friend.
Oh, please, you and this, but it's up to you to excuse me. Bye.
I'll catch up.
Right.
Bye.
Turn around and say, there will be my young being. The power semi don't bash your only PSC. Jamel Hong Kong will be anyone make you Joe, if you are one, see I am along. You be my superstar, it's in a new wrong. Me out of saying me my show box. The young have your kind of game and talk.
I don't know falling, baby, boy, no falling. I don't know falling, baby, boy, no falling. Dummy. I don't know falling, it's a dummy. Baby, boy, no falling. I don't know, dummy. I don't know falling, it's a dummy. Baby, boy, no falling. Baby, wanna fall.
the day is over. Auntie Gorin Father, for there was the evening, so there was the fright. Amen.
Dead man.
Yeah, Fanny.
This is your key.
Oh, thank you. Ah, Fanny.
What is it?
Where's my hot water?
Hot what?
Yeah, and my sugar.
Sugar. Milk. But you deserve milk. You don't deserve milk. You can go and fetch the hot water yourself. I can't do that. Don't embarrass me for you.
Fendi.
Don't embarrass me.
Be careful.
Don't embarrass me.
Be careful.
What?
I'll beat you.
You beat me.
I'll beat you. If I'm beat you, nobody can tell me say that hot living I beat you.
If you won't eat it, put it down.
I can't eat it. I will not eat. I'll put it here. If madam come and he see it. Do you like I'm a dog? I'm a dog. Come to no bread, no sugar, no milk. Hi. Give over so that me pow. Ana me money bia. Ana me fa no kwanto a. I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian. Can this girl? I'll die him. How are you? Hey, I miss you. I miss you. Wow. You do such.
Will you go and open the gate for me?
Madam, I'm going.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
See you later.
No, okay.
Where's my sister? She's inside her room. Okay. Thank you. Get me some water, okay? I miss you.
I missed you too. Oh, but aren't you supposed to be at school?
Yeah.
And so what are you doing now?
Seriously, have you forgotten?
Forgotten what?
Just guess. Guess.
I don't know what to guess about.
It's my boyfriend's birthday. Just 4 days left.
It's nearly escaped me. Sorry.
Remember you promised to celebrate it for him, so please, don't bring that.
Right. It's a promise, so certainly it will come.
Thank
this
you.
weekend, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You know what to do here.
I'm very hungry. I'm starving.
Lazy girl, get to the kitchen.
What do you have inside?
So there are so many things there. Let's get instead.
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going out as you can see.
Alright.
Go look for something to.
Look at him. He's even calling. Alright, see you later.
Hi. Love it.
Sakura yen tin ten around she dem will be bo my yen be the house me don't bash won me PSC tin jam me on ko no be any one church see me long you be the superstar I da me flower wrong me nya hold up say ni ma show bo tin sir bibi an hu bia kan me talk
I don't fall, baby, I don't fall, baby, by my fall. I don't dame. I don't fall, it's dame, baby, by my fall. Dame. I don't fall, it's dame, baby, by my fall.
What is it? Are you okay? You don't look cheerful. What is it?
Since you promised to celebrate my boyfriend's birthday, but I haven't heard anything about it.
Is that why you are looking this way? I have promised you and I will certainly do it. What is your problem?
You could just do things.
Have I ever promised and failed you before? And so why are you this way? Come on, give me that smile. Let me see you smiling. You know how birthday is like. I have plans for it. I have arranged people. We are planning for it. So what is your problem? It will certainly come. Cheer up. Give me that smile. Cheers, that's how I go. I love you too. I'm going out. I'll come soon. Take care of yourself. And let me see that smiling face.
Sakura yen tin ten around she dem will be bo my yen be the power me don't bash won me PSC tin jam me on ko no be any one church if you are one see anya me long you be my superstar ain't in that me flower wrong me nya hold up say we need my show bo the be on bia kana me talk
Hey, Batman! Wait! Open the gate! We don't see say me and Madam coming to go market. Where is Madam? Madam Demanos. Hey, open the gate. You go sack. What's the problem? Hey, Madam. We are coming. The gate is initiative. Hey! You are sir, come. Me! Hey! Where are you going there?
Bad man, the plane is becoming too much in this house.
Oh, madam, I'm not playing.
Come on, go and open the gate.
Madam, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, you see yourself. You are sacked. Me! I will sack you. You are coming home. I will sack you. You are coming home. You know that. You know me. You know me. I slept with you, but you are brother. Yo.
Ali!
Madam, I'm let's go. Sir. This way. Hey, Batman! Come and check the battery for me. The battery terminal. Yes. I'm not a driver. I'm a security.
The battery terminal.
It's all.
Come and take from me.
Fool. I'm standing here. I'm opening the gate.
Hey.
If you not come, I'm still standing here. Yes.
Madam, I'm coming. The battery terminal is unfortunate.
It's all. Am I a fitter? Am I a pilot? Huh?
Madam, let's take plug here, of course.
Okay.
Why?
Madam,
the terminal is here.
Wait, man. I'm a driver.
Who is? Hey! Don't fool!
Hey.
Listen!
I'm a driver.
Listen! Hey! Listen to me! Stand your place!
Give me kaki.
I give you the
kaki.
If I'm a get you can you go? You can go there.
The table is 10.
So you come to the other car.
Ali.
Madam.
Check the water first.
He said,
Check the water.
Okay, the water. Hey. Open it. Hey.
Dame,